Lightweight styling cream that creates sleek and smooth styles with restored shine. Eliminates frizz and fly always while helping resist humidity and thermal styling damage. Rejuvenates hair for soft, supple and shiny results. To use. Pump a small amount onto palms and distribute evenly through damp hair. Blow dry into desired style. Product description. It is lightweight styling cream that creates sleek and smooth styles with restored shine. This light hold moisturizing cream with black seed oil eliminates frizz and flyaways. Brand story. Farouk Systems, Inc. is a Houston-based company that manufactures high-quality professional haircare products with major brands including CHI and BioSilk. Top reviews from the United States. Works beautifully. Love what this does for my hair. I have fine, fairly straight hair. I am older, almost 50, and have undergone chemo, so I have age and medical conditions which hinder things a bit. This cream does not weigh my hair down nor make it look greasy. My hair is softer and free of knots. After all the hairspray, big hair days from my youth, I am finally starting to get in the habit of touching, twriling, and playing with my hair. I also use the black ghee shampoo, conditioner and hairspray, so that could also be playing a part. However, I wouldn't see this being a great product for those with curly hair. That's my personal opinion, and I do not have any hairdresser.